Ever since I've discovered a shave oil, I've kind of been in love. And this shave oil with the vanilla cashmere from the EOS has been one of my favorites. So this was gifted to me from the brand, but it's always I would give my asterisk. So what you're going to find too is this is going to have the traditional, nice, beautiful, so addictive vanilla cashmere scent, which probably at this point almost everyone has tasted it or smelled it. But this has that warm, ooey gooey kind of like vanilla scent that gives you notes of like a soft musk and a cozy caramel. So it's just like a beautiful vanilla. And if you really want to like give your shower experience like that full like je ne sais quoi, this is going to give you that. So this also gives you some great ingredients too. This has cocoa butter, which will deep dehydrate, argan oil, which will soothe and smooth your skin, and shave oil, which will soften and nourish. So this shaving can be kind of like harsh on your skin. So this will kind of protect your skin because it gives the razor a little slip on the body to really like move across the skin super well. But this will also give your skin that hydration, because if you've ever shaved, which I'm sure most people have, that it's very irritating to the skin. So having a shave oil, just creating that barrier, really gives you a kind of a leg up in shaving.